I'm Nicole and I like to do fashion DIYs, typically from thrifted items. So that is why I am sharing with you my thrift haul. This is actually a couple thrift hauls all together, and some of the items are pieces that I won't be altering and I just found at a thrift store that I really like. And some of the other items are things I got to remake them into future DIY projects. So if you'd like to see what I picked up, then keep watching. Okay, so starting with this red mini dress, I absolutely love it, and I knew from the second I saw it that I wouldn't have to do any tailoring to it. Just by the structure of the dress itself, there are multiple darts throughout the dress, so I knew it was going to fit me correctly, and it's just a zipper closure in the back. So this piece isn't very exciting, but it's just a really good staple to have, which is just a black t-shirt. It's actually kind of long. I'm actually going to Cuba at the end of the month, so I thought this would be kind of cute to be a bathing suit cover-up, and after I get back, I'll probably cut it because it does have these side slits, which I'm not the biggest fan of, but I can deal with it as a bathing suit cover-up. But I'll probably just hem this when I get back to just be a black t-shirt because you can never have too many of those. Okay, so I clean up in the little boys department in the thrift stores with denim all the time. Clearly, when you have the body of a 12-year-old, this is the only advantage. So I actually snagged these like awesome Levi's red tag jeans for $4. Like, you cannot go wrong. I may only be 5 feet tall, but worth it. Worth it for the jeans selection in thrift stores. I kind of go denim crazy. Whenever I find a pair of jeans that fit me, I pick them up, and that's why I have another one that's kind of identical. This is a little bit of a darker wash, but I'll most likely be doing some sort of DIY to at least one of the jeans. I kind of want to make a pair into shorts, so you can never have too many. Okay, this next item makes me kind of sad that Christmas is over because I found the best Christmas sweater. It's a Breaking Bad Christmas sweater. Isn't this so good? Yeah, bitch, Christmas. Yeah, so when I saw this, I couldn't turn it up. I don't know who would ever donate this sweater because I'm never getting rid of this. But yeah, I will have to tuck this away until next year, unfortunately, just because obviously it's January. I have a whole year to wait to wear this. So another great purchase that I found was this coat, and I love it because it has blue in it. It's actually from Forever 21, and it was $14, but it was 50% off, so it was actually $7, which is pretty great for this jacket, which was probably close to like 70 bucks, if not more than that. So I'm excited to wear this. And I also picked up this really chunky knit sweater. I couldn't turn away from the white stripes and the white star. We're in the thick of winter right now, and I'm honestly so over it. So whenever I can find a sweater that makes me like a little bit excited about wearing sweaters, I have to have it. So as I mentioned, I like to get all of the stuff for my DIYs from thrift stores. Not only are you upcycling something new, you're also saving a lot of money by not buying something new and altering that. You're altering something that's old anyways and maybe giving it a second life. So I really wanted to stock up on a bunch of pieces that I can rework over the next little while. And also I am going on vacation, so I did want to make quite a few things that I could take with me. That is what this portion of the haul is. And I also just wanted to stock up on projects just so I have like a bunch of stuff back to back that I can keep working on instead of always going out and thrifting and looking for projects. So to start off, I found this leopard print dress. This is actually from H&M. It's literally like the most unattractive thing. It's also like 4 sizes too big. I believe this is a... Oh wow, no, it's supposed to be this big. It's a size 2. Oh geez. So the thing that drew me towards this piece was definitely the fabric. I'm honestly fabric shopping in the thrift store. That's kind of what I do there. So when I found this, I really did like it because I have been looking for something leopard print lately to add to my wardrobe, but I haven't found the right piece or print, so why not make something? So since I'm going to be going away, as I mentioned, I thought I would take a whack at making a bunch of really cute dresses. I have some ideas for this one. I want it to be kind of Reformation inspired. So that is why I picked this up. So this next piece is more of a wild card because it's kind of ridiculous. But I think it kind of had the right idea with like the open back. It's just still too much. This is kind of like a velvety material. Honestly, this is what my old gymnastics bodysuits used to be made out of, was fabric like this. So maybe it's a little nostalgic for me. I'm not really sure. But I think if there was just less fabric, it has potential to be really cute. So that is exactly what I'm going to try to do with this. I'm going to try to make it kind of like an open back top. Wish me luck. So this was another wild card. I kind of just picked it out because it gave me a lot of freedom for what I wanted to do. And it's just this yellow eyelet top. It is lined, but with eyelet you would need to have something lined. I'm kind of a fan of the eyelet, especially for spring, so I thought it'd be kind of cute to make something like springy. Okay, so I know this dress will not look like much, but I'm honestly really excited about it. I really like the fabric. Despite the fact that this is definitely an old lady dress, I'm gonna make this something super cute and Reformation inspired. That is definitely where I am going with this. Honestly, all I have to do is really take in the waist and change the neckline and probably hem the crap out of it, and it has some potential. So stay tuned for that tutorial. So I wanted to actually make some bathing suit cover-ups, and this is one of the items that I picked up that I will be transforming. You will see this in an upcoming video, so I'll talk about it a little bit more and what I'm doing to it then. And I also stumbled across this. This has like lemons or oranges on it. You'd think from the color that they would be lemons, but I think they're oranges. So I thought this would be a really cute bathing suit cover-up with a few minor tweaks. So stay tuned for that as well. So I don't know about you, but there's something about a cardigan that I just don't like. I don't like the look of a cardigan, but I like the functionality of a cardigan. I like something that I can throw over something that's open. I don't know, I'm just not a cardigan person, but I am a button-down shirt person, which is kind of like a cardigan, I guess. And when I found this one, I obviously loved the color, but it's a little bit too big on me, so I am going to be altering this as well. I don't think I'm going to do a tutorial because it's pretty straightforward and I've done a lot of stuff like this already. So yeah, this is just something that is a great thing to look out for, just shirts that you can kind of throw over top of other shirts. So I do have a couple accessories that I did pick up, and the first being this really cute bag. I feel like this goes really well with that whole like wicker bag trend that happened last year, and I don't know if that's still gonna be around this year, but I really like it. So when I saw this in black and white, I just kind of had to have it. It is a little bit worn within the strap, and I think this strap was not the original strap it came with, but it works for now. Okay, this next bag is super weird, and the second I saw it, I just had to have it because of how weird it was, and it was only like $1.50, so I can justify this. But it's this little coconut purse. Isn't this just the cutest bag? Like, I honestly don't even understand why this exists, but I just thought it was so cute. It's just a little, I can't. I always find the best earrings at thrift stores, and I can always justify the price because they're usually no more than $2. So the first pair that I have are these gold hoops. For some reason, I just gravitate to gold jewelry. I have a lot of them, and I saw these and knew they would be a great addition to my collection. Since I usually gravitate towards like more bold jewelry or earrings in particular, when I saw these like really cute hexagon dainty earrings, I had to pick these up because I need more simple studs. Okay, these next earrings are a little out there, but it goes really well with my yellow shirt, which is why I picked these up. And they're these little yellow earrings with like tiger stripes going through them in black, which just goes really well with the colors of that shirt. So purposely got these just to wear with that. Pretty much, yeah. So I actually have a few items from a real store, believe it or not. I had a few gift cards, so I went to the mall to pick up a couple of things, and unfortunately I couldn't find much. So spending those gift cards was kind of a struggle. But starting with Aritzia, the only thing I could find that I liked was this bandeau top. I already own something similar to this, just different color and fabric. So when I saw this red striped one, I just wanted it, and the price was only 20 bucks. So it was a great deal. I don't really know what's going on with Aritzia lately. I've just been so disappointed with their selection and their service. I don't know, it used to be one of my favorite stores. Now it kind of hurts to go in there. And the other store that I stopped at was Forever 21. I just picked up a couple of accessories, one being this red bag. With me going on vacation, I really wanted to have pops of color in my accessories, so that is why I picked up this red little handbag. And the other red accessory I picked up were these ridiculous red earrings, but I love them so much. Cannot wait to wear these. Thank you guys so much for sticking around and watching this thrift haul. If you'd like to see all the items that I will be recreating from that portion of the haul, please be sure to subscribe down below. So let me know what item of this haul was your favorite, and also the DIY that you might be looking forward to the most, so I know where to start. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!